Jimmy, ever wonder what it takes to fail on OnlyFans? I've got the top 3 ways. Failing on OnlyFans sounds like a challenge I'm ready for. What's the first tip, Purdy? Tip 1, post only pictures of your breakfast. And not the fancy, Instagram-worthy stuff. Just boring toast and cold cereals. Nothing says unsubscribe like soggy cornflakes. Today's special, half-eaten toast and lukewarm coffee. Watch the followers pour in. Or not. Exactly. Tip 2, be as mysterious as possible. Never show your face, body, or anything even remotely interesting. Just post close-ups of random objects, like your TV remote or single sock. Is this a remote control appreciation page? Fans will be so confused. They'll hit unsubscribe just to escape the mystery. Tip 3, post your subscription price ridiculously high, like $999 a month. Make people pay big bucks for the privilege of seeing absolutely no thing. For absolutely nothing. Pay $999 to join my nothing club, the most exclusive club no one will ever join. Well, maybe you will, Bob, because I know you join clubs that are no thing. There you have it, the ultimate guide to failing on OnlyFans. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to failing on OnlyFans. Cheers to losing subscribers faster than you can say, refund! Here's to mastering the art of epic failure.